Electric bikes are fantastic and they're getting popular among every type of people day by day. And the best electric bike designed explicitly for commuting can power up your ride to work, making your life more convenient. Now they're lighter, more attractive, and more powerful than ever. Besides, there are some options under $2,000, but you have to find the right one. To make your job easier, we've come up with a list of the 5 best electric commuter bike under $2,000 just for you. So let's take a closer look at them.
OutdoorZone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
With a slogan that says faster, further, smarter, the Stroem City M 2.0 is a fantastic rendition of Danish bike design. Since their first successful crowdfunding campaign in 2017, the team has worked around the clock to ensure the best quality build for the most affordable price possible. Don't get fooled by looking at a sleek design because it hides a world of power inside. There's an integrated 10.4 ampere-hour battery that is detachable, and if you charge once, this battery will back you up for up to 60 kilometers. Its powerful and silent Stroem 250 watts or 350 watts motor will allow you to smoothly cruise at up to 32 kilometers or 20 miles per hour speed with a Shimano 7-speed gear system and 6-level pedal assist. Speed throttle is available, but sadly it's only for US models. And if you want to decrease the speed or make a complete stop, don't worry because its Tektro disc brake system will provide enough stopping power. There is integrated lighting for nighttime riding, a mobile charging system, and a rear carrier for extra convenience. This affordable and feature-packed Stroem City M 2.0 is designed to keep only one thing in mind: to make inner-city commuting more sustainable, convenient, and comfortable. In a 2019 report, The Verge calls electric cargo commuter bike the SUV of e-bikes. And we're talking about the RadWagon 4 from Rad Power Bikes. Well, a bike is nothing compared to a car, but owning and using a car for city commutes require you to hunt for parking spots regularly. Plus, you need to consider traffic as well if you happen to commute frequently, and the RadWagon 4 can save you a lot of hassle for sure. With a frame made of 6061 aluminum and 48 volts, 14 ampere-hour or 672 watt-hour lithium NCA 18650 Samsung 35E cells, this electric commuter bike has a balance of power and durability. Besides, its 750-watt geared hub motor in conjunction with its 7-speed shift system can ultimately result in a range of more than 45 miles when paired with its battery. It has a payload capacity of 350 pounds, and to provide adequate stopping power, it has 180mm mechanical disc brake. All in all, the RadWagon 4 allows you to conquer city streets and arrive at your destinations with complete peace of mind so that you can explore city life from a whole new perspective. Think about a powerful electric commuter bike, features an exceptional design, and yet comes within your affordability. Well, you might be searching for the KBO Breeze. This electric bike is surprisingly comfortable, powerful as a cruiser or commuter, and uses quality components. Well, before we start discussing all the essential features that make this electric bike amazing, first of all, let's talk about the 2 color options. This bike maintains its clean and distinctive look with the black and the limited edition all orange color. Its powerful, sustained 500-watt brushless geared hub motor will allow you to ride with the utmost freedom and confidence through the city blocks. Another strength of this KBO Breeze is its removable 48-volt 16Ah lithium-ion battery with Samsung cells. So, you get the reliability of Samsung with a rating of 900 full charge cycles, and as a result of this powerful motor and battery, you will get more than 55 miles on riding on a single charge. Moreover, a quick and intelligent 48-volt 3-amp charger is provided, taking only 5 hours to recharge the battery fully. There are 180mm of mechanical disc brakes for both front and rear, and the wheels use Panasonic puncture-resistant tires with excellent grip, so you get enough stopping power at your will. This electric commuter bike has 300 pounds of weight carrying capacity. Its saddle is well built, and there's a solid aluminum rear rack. Besides, there's a backlit LCD to provide you with a variety of riding information. And don't worry about riding in the dark, as the bike is equipped with 48-volt LED headlight along with integrated rear brake light. There are more features that you'll find convenient, but in short, if you're conscious about your budget and looking for the most affordable full-featured commuter e-bikes on the market with a price tag of just $1,500, the KBO Breeze will undoubtedly be the best option for you. The second best electric commuter bike on this list is a Red Dot winner brand from 2020, the VanMoof S3. Some people call this bike the best of the best because it's built to handle any commute and able to provide the smoothest ride possible. You can choose from its lightweight, strong, and aesthetically pleasing coated aluminum frame option with a subtle sky blue or a deep gray-black color option. With its 504 watt-hours integrated LG cell combined with its 250 to the 350 watt motor, you can quickly get up to 93 miles on a single charge with a top speed of 20 miles per hour. The most exciting thing is it supports fast charging. It will take only about 80 minutes to store 50% charge inside its battery, and the battery will be fully recharged in 4 hours. Besides, it's equipped with onboard alarms and innovative location tracking to prevent bike theft. And you get the VanMoof app to unlock your bike effortlessly and configure everything from the gear change moments to the digital bell sound. And finally, it has an automatic chain tensioning system so that you can stay worry-free even after a prolonged period of riding. In essence, this VanMoof S3 can be a healthy and convenient alternative for city riding. The number 1 spot on our list was earned by the Blix Packa Genie, a high-performing full-featured electric cargo commuter bike that has a lot to offer under the $2,000 price point. Well, first of all, it's a competent electric bike, and there's a lot to talk about. Its aluminum frame is slightly longer than the competition, and there's a dual battery option with a total power output of 1,228 watt-hours. The battery has a lifetime of 25,000 miles, paired with its powerful hub motor with 750 watts of continuous output and 1,350 watts of peak output. The Packa Genie can provide a range of up to 80 miles on a single charge. Its 7-speed gear shifter allows smooth power delivery and is equipped with exceptional hydraulic disc brakes for outstanding stopping power and performance. Blix uses puncture-proof tires and reflective tire sidewalls for safe nighttime riding. Apart from all these features, it has integrated brake lights, a USB charging facility for electric devices, a smart bell, and many more. The Blix Packa Genie is the best electric bike for commuting on the 2,000 price points with its utility-friendly design, exceptional performance, and obsessively high level of attention to detail. So that was all about the 5 best electric commuter bike under 2000. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find it helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.